Mercedes has just dropped exciting new details and stunning fresh images of the upcoming all-new GLB. This is cold weather testing, done the Mercedes way. The results speak for themselves. At -15 Celsius, the windscreen clears in just 15 minutes using only the defrost setting. Start your day at -7 Celsius, and the cabin warms up twice as fast as the previous GLB while using half the energy of a conventional model. That's range you can actually feel. The secret? A clever heat pump straight from the groundbreaking EQXX project. It captures waste heat from the battery and drivetrain, plus the surrounding air, delivering cozy warmth with just a third of the electricity a traditional heater would gulp down. Step inside and the revolution continues. Out goes the fussy sculpted dashboard. In comes pure, high-tech sophistication. The optional floating MBUX Superscreen spans the entire dash, framed by futuristic circular vents. The center console floats too, discreetly concealing wireless charging and cup holders beneath premium trim. A newly designed ergonomic steering wheel revives classic rocker switches for cruise control and a proper roller for volume, proof that sometimes the old school is still the best school. Need more space? The second row slides and reclines for ultimate flexibility, while the optional third row folds flat into the floor. Headroom is generous, legroom is improved, and access to the rearmost seats is easier than ever. Then there's the segment-first panoramic roof. Heat-insulating glass with a low E coating, thinner than a human hair, keeps summer sun out and winter warmth in. Touch a button and it instantly switches from transparent to opaque for instant privacy. At night, the optional illuminated star pattern syncs with the ambient lighting, turning the ceiling into your own private constellation. Powering everything is MB.OS, Mercedes-Benz's all-new operating system. With the latest MBUX, zero-layer intelligence, generative AI avatars, built-in Google Maps navigation, and seamless over-the-air updates, your GLB learns your habits, adapts, and stays cutting-edge for years to come. Safety is uncompromising. Standard Distronic in Europe, 8 cameras, 5 radars, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a water-cooled supercomputer ready for tomorrow's features. The all-new Mercedes-Benz GLB, compact on the outside, cavernous on the inside. World premiere 8 December 25. Get ready to rediscover what a compact SUV can truly be. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.